channel, Inspired Birdie. As per the title, this is a Dollarama, so Canadian dollar store haul video for you all today. Recently made one trip. Looks like a lot of stuff because I left with 3 really big bags, but I think some of them are just really big items. So I got some really cool things. I'll leave those for a little bit later. So let's just jump right into this video. So I'm going to start right here in the middle. Actually, this was really exciting to see. I needed another like pop socket type thing for one of my phones, my work phone, and I found this universal design. I love, love, love this design. Those 2 colors are 2 of my favorite colors, and this is a ring, one of those ring pops. I don't know what the names are. Let's see here, grip holder stand, ring. So smartphone ring, doesn't really say much else, but these just go on the back of your phone, and it's a ring to put your finger through to hold it, and I just loved that design. So really excited to see that. It was $3.50, which is a great deal because these do retail for up to $10, if not more. All right, so next, a few Canadian, like Canada Day items for Canada Day, because it is right around the corner. I mean, who knows, depending on when I post this video, it may have already passed. So $1.50 for this little headband, super cute, just has 2 Canadian flags. I thought that would be really cute for my daughter to wear. And then I picked up this pinwheel for one of our planters in the front of the house. I have another one as well. It was also $1.50, made of solid wood. Really, really good quality. Love, love, love these. All right, I'll show you quickly the kids items that I got. So I picked up more of these. If you watch my hauls, you know I'm a huge fan of all of these like learning books that the dollar store, like Dollarama and Dollar Tree carry. So these are both kindergarten. This is a number maze. So just mazes with numbers. The other one is hidden pictures. These are the like color by number. So I thought those would be really great. This is just printer paper, nothing too special, but for $3, 150 sheets, like that's really great. Normal cost for 150 at a store or Amazon would definitely be more than $3. And these books here, I don't know if I remember the price. I'm thinking that they were around $1.50 because books like this tend to be that price. All right, so the big item that I found at the Dollar Tree was actually this Fisher-Price brand item. So they're always surprising me. They're always getting some interesting brand name items. So when I saw this, I definitely took a look at it. It's just kind of like Fisher-Price's play on Play-Doh. So you get 4 dough dots, 2 character cutters, 4 classic cutters, a rolling pin, and 1 shaping tool. This is what it looks like. So your Play-Doh is in what they call dough dots. I'll just show you guys the back. These are all of the items that you get. So yeah, super excited for that. Thought that was a really, really great deal. And then 2 random items. I just picked up one of these cleaning brushes. I also get these from the Dollar Tree, but I was at Dollarama, so I picked it up there. $1.25, same price as at my Dollar Tree. And just 2 of their plastic plates. I already have these. We do have glass plates, but I really love these plastic ones just to use for, like, you know, if you're doing like little platters and stuff like that. So only $2, and they are white. Okay, so moving along, I've hauled these hats before. These are the Nickelodeon hats that the Dollarama carries. So they're $3.50, and I've hauled the Paw Patrol, Disney princesses, and Frozen. This is the first time I've ever seen Trolls, and my kid loves Trolls right now, so picked up one of these super cute hats. Random stuff, picked up some Betty Crocker cake mix. I also have icing somewhere among all this stuff, but picked up one of these. It was $1.25. Some foam balls. These are just for a craft project, so styrofoam balls, $1.25. I think I'm going to make planets with my daughter. She really loves planets, so I thought that would be a cool idea with some paint. Picked up some putty. This is just glitter putty. This is not the name brand, but looked like fun. $1.25. I have hauled these as well many times. Dollarama gets Hatchimal kits. They're $4. You get you get 5 in here. And I don't know if you have kids that like Hatchimals. It's a really great price based on what I've seen. It shows you one that's already open. And then it shows you what you could get inside. Yeah, so I picked up one of those. Some kitchen items. Love this. So this is a, oops, there we go. A dish mat. Sorry for the glare, guys. $3.50. It is a dish mat. I've wanted one of these for a while. I've been using the microfiber dish mats, but I've really wanted one that was, what material would you call this? It's not plastic. Doesn't even say. Anyways, I've wanted this material for quite a long time. Just, I feel like it's going to do better than using the microfiber. So they had it in this color, and then they also had it in like a really bright orange. And then I picked up a corner rack for my cupboard. I have racks already, but I want to try a corner rack for my daughter's like dishware. Starting to overflow a little bit. So it's $4. It's a 3-tier, so there's 3 levels on it. I love this color. I mean, it's just black, but I like the color because I'm so used to everything always being in white. And yeah, there's not much else to say about this. Okay, and now I'm just moving on to the final item. So I found the chocolate frosting for that cake that I bought. Really excited to see this as well. I needed some new deodorant. It was $4, and I'm really looking for a natural deodorant. I've tried a ton of them, and they're just not working for me, guys. If you have any that you can recommend that are natural, so no aluminum, let me know. So I have yet to try Tom's, so I was happy to see that they had this. Picked up some zipper seal. I mean, it's not very exciting. What is exciting are their new wicker bins. So I've hauled like wicker bins from Dollarama so many times. I love, love, love their bins. I would go to Dollarama before Dollar Tree anytime. And this is my absolute favorite color. It's really hard to find because they sell out really quickly, but this is new. So it is 2-in-1 right now, guys. I have it, like I can't get it out right now, but it has, I'll just show you the one on top here. It has a handle. It almost reminds me of like those strawberry picking baskets. So anyways, I grabbed that. I love the color, like I mentioned, and they have a brand new color in. They've never had pink before. At least I have never, ever seen this color in any of their wicker bins, so it has to be new because I go to the dollar store quite often. So it's this really pretty blush pink, and they had other wicker basket styles as well in this color. So super excited to see that they have switched their color. So same basket, and these were $2.50. Like, that's pretty amazing. $2.50. You can't go wrong. Again, sorry guys, my dog is snoring so loud right now. But yeah, those were the last items that I got. I have no purpose for these, but I know that I'll find a purpose, so I just had to have them. But anyways. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my Dollarama haul. I'll probably have a Dollar Tree one coming up soon. I haven't been there in a while, so you know, I'll probably make a quick visit sometime soon. But thanks so much for dropping by, and I hope that you guys are staying safe, and love and peace to you all. Bye!